So the question number 1, which of the following sites features one of the earliest examples of a rock cut Chaitya hall? Option number D, Kerala. Question number 2, the constitutional provision that prohibits conviction or punishment for an act that was not an offence at the time it was committed, thereby preventing retrospective criminal liability, is contained in which article of the Indian Constitution? Option number B, Article 20, subclause 1. Question number 3. In sexually reproducing individuals, each trait is determined by two copies of a gene. If these copies differ, what is the term used for the trait that is expressed? Option number D, dominant trait. Question number 4. The enzyme salivary amylase is secreted from? Option number C, mouth. Question number 5. Which of the following does not belong to the Dravidian language family? Option number D, Lahanda. 6. As per the census 2011, which of the following union territories has the highest percentage of the Muslim population out of the total population of the union territory? Option number C, Lakshadweep. 7. Which compound do shaving soaps contain to prevent rapid drying? Option number B, glycerol. 8. Manufacturing industries in India primarily belong to which of the following sectors? Option number C, secondary. Question number 9. The Deccan Plateau is largely composed of which of the following? Option number C, basaltic lava. 10. Which of the following statements is true about plasmids? Option number C. Plasmids are DNA fragments and found in bacteria. Question number 11. Jila Parishad occupies apex position as which tier in the Panchayati Raj system in India? Option number A. It is the third tier. 12. Chapchar one of the oldest and most significant festival, is celebrated in which Indian state? Option number A, Mizoram. 13. Who acts as the chief legal advisor to the government of India? Option number D, Attorney General of India. 14. Which of the following cities houses the Bharat Mandapam, India's largest convention and exhibition center? Option number A, New Delhi. 15. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Article 14, freedom of speech. Article 19, protection of life and personal liberty. Article 25, freedom of religion. Article 21, right to equality. So option number C is the right answer. Article 25, freedom of religion, is correctly matched. 16. Which of the following advises the President of India in the exercise of its function? Option number C, the Prime Minister and the Union Council of Ministers. 17. Which of the following monuments is regarded as an example of the robustness of Afghan structures? Option number D, Hoshang Shah's tomb. 18. Which of the following is incorrectly paired? Option number B. 19. The Nilgiri Hills lie at the junction of which two major hill ranges? Option number C, Eastern and Western Ghats. 20. What is the primary function of the red blood cells in the human body? Option number B, carrying oxygens. 21. Onam is celebrated to welcome which mythical king? Option number A, King Mahabali. 22. Which renewable energy relies on the movement of air? Option number D, wind power. 23. Which of the following scripts is used for Hindi as the official language of India according to the Article 343(1) of the Constitution? Option number A, Devanagari. 24. Which architectural style does the Lakshmana temple at Khajuraho follow? Option number C, Nagara. 25. Which of the following did Robert Hooke observe while discovering the cell? Option number D, cork. 26. Which of the following vitamins is synthesized from cholesterol? Option number A, vitamin D. 27. Which fundamental right is available only to Indian citizens and not to foreigners? Option number C, right to freedom of speech and expression. 28. The 11th schedule of the Constitution contains how many functional items related to Panchayati Raj? Option number C, 29. Question number 29. Match the following with the right symptoms and select the correct option. Option number B, A4, V3, anemia, low iron, and C2, goiter, glands in neck swells up, and D1, soft bones rickets. Question number 30. Which of the following is incorrectly paired with reference to the organization of Kumbh Mela on different rivers and cities associated with it? Option number D is incorrectly matched. 31. Carbonization is a chemical reaction that occurs during cooking. It can reduce the risk of foods getting stuck on the pan. In this process, complex substances, when exposed to heat, break down into which of the following? Option number D, elemental carbon. 32. The Committee on Public Undertaking was created in 1964 following recommendation of which committee? Option number C, Krishna Menon Committee. 33. The jute industry is concentrated in which of the following states of India? Option number D, West Bengal, Assam and Bihar. 34. Which of the following is the highest court in the judicial hierarchy in India? Judicial hierarchy. Option number D, Supreme Court. 35. Which of the following rivers meets the Ganga near Chhapra in Bihar and is also known as the Karnali in Nepal? Option number A, Ghagra. 36. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution encourages citizens to preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture? Option number B, Article 51A. 37. How is the Peninsular Plateau best described in shape? Option number D, triangular. 38. The architectural style of Hampi's Virupaksha temple is associated with which dynasty? Option number D, Vijayanagar. 39. According to the census 2011, which religious group forms the second largest population in India? Option number C, Muslims. 40. Which of the following waste products are stored specially in old xylem? Option number A, resins and gums. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.